Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to review the Huawei Mate 16 Pro Plus, the latest flagship phone from Huawei that was launched in August 2023. Is it worth the premium price of $1,000? Let's find out.
So before starting the video, link is given in the description. You can buy this phone from Amazon.
Alright guys, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus has a stunning 6.58-inch OLED display that offers full HD plus resolution 20:9 aspect ratio. The screen has a punch hole layout at the top left and it has Corning Gorilla Glass protection. The display also supports a 120Hz refresh rate, which makes everything look smooth and responsive. The colors are vibrant and the contrast is high and the brightness is excellent. The Huawei Mate 16 Pro Plus is powered by a Kirin 995 Plus 5G chip, which is a 7nm Plus processor that delivers blazing fast performance and efficiency. It also has a 12GB of RAM and 512GB of internal storage, which can be expanded up to 1TB with a micro SD card. The phone runs on Android 11 OS with Huawei EMUI 12 skin on the top. The software is smooth and responsive, and it offers a lot of customization options and features. The Huawei Mate 16 Pro Plus has a quad rear camera setup that consists of 108 megapixel main sensor, an 8 megapixel telephoto lens, and a 40 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, and a ToF 3D depth sensor. The camera can take stunning photos and videos in any lighting conditions, and it supports optical zoom, ultra wide angle, night mode, portrait mode, micro mode, and much more. The front camera is 32 megapixel selfie shooter that can capture sharp and clear selfies and video calls. The Huawei Mate 16 Pro Plus has a 5000 mAh battery that supports fast charging, wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging. The battery life is impressive. It can be last for a day or more with moderate to heavy usage. The phone also supports 5G connectivity, which means you can enjoy fast data speed and lower latency. The phone also has other features such as in-display fingerprint sensor, face unlock, stereo speakers, NFC, Bluetooth 5.2, Wi-Fi 6E, and much more. So is it Huawei Mate Pro Plus worth buying? So I think it depends on your preference and budget. If you want a phone that has a gorgeous display, a powerful processor, and massive storage, a versatile camera, and long-lasting battery, then yes, it's definitely worth it. But if you are not comfortable with Huawei software or lack of Google service, then you might want to look elsewhere. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews, and let me know in the comment what you think of the Huawei Mate 16 Pro Plus.
See you in the next video. See you. Bye bye.